Question number 1.
She watching TV right now. A, were. B, was. C, is.
Question number 2.
They at the park yesterday. A, was. B, were. C, are.
Question number 3.
He's homework daily. A, does. B, did. C, do.
Question number 4.
We already seen that movie. A, has. B, had. C, have. C, have.
Question number 5.
The teacher very strict today. A and B is. C, are.
Question number 6.
I my shoes this morning. A, polished. B, polishes. C, polish.
Question number 7.
She going to the market now. A, were. B, was. C, is.
Question number 8.
They happy with the result. A, was. B, were. C, are. C.
Question number 9.
He breakfast every day. A, eats. B, ate. C, eat.
Question number 10.
We going shopping tomorrow. A, was. B, were. C, are.
Question number 11.
She already completed her assignment. A, have. B, has. C, had.
Question number 12.
They waiting for the bus yesterday. A, did. B, were. C, do.
Question number 13.
I ready for the exam. A, aim. B, is. C, are.
Question number 14.
The kids running outside yesterday. A, was. B, were. C, is.
Question number 15.
He a new book last week. A, bought. B, buys. C, buy.
Question number 16.
We busy with homework now. A, was. B, were. C, are. C, are. Artrumony.
Question number 17.
She in the library yesterday. A is, B was, C are.
Question number 18.
They already left for the airport. A has, B had, key, have.
Question number 19.
He very hard every day. A studies. B studied. Key study.
Question number 20.
The dog barking all night. A are, B was, C is.
Question number 21.
She her bag on the floor. A put, B puts, C pudding.
Question number 22.
They preparing for the test. A was, B are, C is.
Question number 23.
I my cousin yesterday evening. A meet, B was meeting, C met.
Question number 24.
He to the gym every day. A goes, B went, key goes, B went, key go overall.
Question number 25.
We neighbors for years. A was, B are, C is.
Question number 26.
She always tells the truth. A were, B is, C was.
Question number 27.
They not agree with the decision. A do, B does, C did.
Question number 28.
He tired yesterday. A is, B are, C was.
Question number 29.
I ready to go. A am, B is, C are.
Question number 30.
We dinner at 8 p.m. yesterday. A ate, B eating, C eat.
Question number 31.
She waiting at the bus stop. A is, B was, C are.
Question number 32.
They gone to Chicago in 2020. A have, B had, C has.
Question number 33.
His lessons carefully. A does, B did, C do.
Question number 34.
The stars shining last night. A shine, B shines, C shone.
Question number 35.
I my clothes yesterday. A washed, B washes, C washes.
Question number 36.
She cooking dinner now. A was, B is, C are.
Question number 37.
They a new house last year. A had, B has, C have.
Question number 38.
He absent yesterday. A is, B was, C are.
Question number 39.
The students playing in the field. A are, B was, C is.
Question number 40.
We visited the zoo last month. A have, B did, C has.
Question number 41.
She dancing on the stage yesterday. A was, B is, C were.
Question number 42.
They going on a trip now. A are, B is, C was.
Question number 43.
He already solved the puzzle. A has, B had, C have.
Question number 44.
The kids very noisy. A am, B is, C are.
Question number 45.
I my homework yesterday. A finished, B finishes, C finish.
Question number 46.
She sitting near the window. A are, B is, C was.
Question number 47.
They already left the station. A has, B had, C have.
Question number 48.
He running every morning. A is, B was, C are.
Question number 49.
We watching TV last night. A were, B are, C was.
Question number 50.
She very smart in class. A is ba was, C or are,